Okay, this is the Sky Tower with Andre, Michelle,
And let the Sky Tower begin!
The Star Cruise, huh?
Abet. We're riding the Sky Tower of Singapore. See the view, Star Cruises. You can see the view of Sentosa Island. Ang daming under construction. Ayun, no?
Daddy, look. Look at that.
Under construction.
Under construction.
Wow, look at that. I like to ride that with Adrian. The roller coaster. That roller coaster there.
Not the roller coaster!
Yeah. This is Sentosa Island.
What's that? Across the bridge.
Ano yan?
Oh, this is the tiger.
Musical fountain yata dun.
I want to go there.
Musical fountain dun. I think. That's the Merlion.
Hindi yun.
Hey, Merlion yun.
Ilang? Golden show.
Saan?
There, ayun. 5:30 akin ka.
Okay. Ayan, ang ganda. Parang Lagunood yan. Ayun o, parang Lagoon na yun.
Nalakad ka na.
Can we go there? Ano yan? Shangri-La. Okay, this is Sentosa Island. Bye-bye.